Welcome back to TeshKidFX for another amazing video. Welcome back to TeshKidFX for another Fetch AI price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Fetch AI chart, which at the time of this recording is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We had also been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 2 in a move that also managed to get into the minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2, which lies between the $0.333 mark and the $0.2702 mark in a move that gave us a low at around the $0.2962 mark, and there are chances that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 3. And before I get further into the technical analysis and also give you my next price targets to the upside in the formation of that wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership, and allow me to continue with the video here on the 4-hour chart by first giving you a recap of what has been happening, where you can see that after making our lower low at around the $0.0525 mark, we started that massive bounce to the upper side, obeying the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that I have this Elliot wave structure in yellow, having that as the first wave, then a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and then a wave 5, giving us a peak at around the $0.6118 mark. And after seeing the formation of this 5-wave structure to the upper side, we completed an even larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upper side, and after seeing the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 1, whatever we expected next was a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, and using the Fibonacci's connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, I was able to come up with a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2 between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which is a target area that lies between the $0.3322 mark and the $0.2666 mark, which is a target area that we have fully maximized, and there are chances that we have bottomed out in the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 2, and whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, and sketching out a target area to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $1.2093 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect Fetch AI to do here in the formation of these higher Elliot wave count 3. And because a wave 3 to the upper side is an impulsive wave, I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation within the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 3, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $1.2093 mark. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios, and I believe we are seeing such a scenario here on the 1-hour chart. So jumping to the 1-hour chart for further analysis and also give you the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, you can see that after seeing our low in the formation of that wave 2, we started this massive bounce to the upper side in a move that has now given us a peak at around the $0.4 mark, and by first giving you a measure from this low down here, you can see that the market is up by more than 34.15%, which is a very nice bounce to the upper side. And getting to the Elliot wave structures, that is the micro Elliot wave counts that we have within the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 3, we can term these as the first wave to the upper side. And after seeing the high for that wave 1, we started a corrective structure over here in the formation of this wave 2, and I believe that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of that impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of that wave 3. And once we peak in the formation of that wave 3, then we can expect a wave 4 and then a wave 5 to push even higher to complete an even larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upper side, which is still a fractal wave within the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upper side, and getting to see whether the second wave down here has done the minimum that we expect a wave 2 to the lower side to do by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1. And here on the Fibonacci's, you can see that we were able to retest in the formation of that wave 2 between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5, which is a target area that lies between the $0.3621 mark and the $0.3496 mark. And after seeing a reaction of those key areas on the Fibonacci's, right now we are seeing a bit of a bounce to the upper side in what I'm terming as the formation of this wave 3, and sketching out a target area to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, that gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.5247 mark. And once we peak in the formation of that wave 3, then we can expect a wave 4, then continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 5. So I'm expecting Fetch AI here on the 1 hour chart to see a break above the 20-day MA, so that we can have the support that we need for us to continue gearing up in the formation of this wave 3. And the moment we manage to break above that, also manage to break above other highs and other areas of resistances, then there are chances of fully maximizing our target area at around the $0.5234 mark in the formation of that higher Elliott wave count 3. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios. And getting back to the 4-hour chart to take a look at the indicators here on the RSI. On the RSI, we are trading at around the 61 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices in the formation of that wave 3. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.